Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Linus. Now, this particular video and video series or playlist is for you that meets these following conditions. You have been looking around and you notice that, hey, you're in a busy area and people are struggling to get some good internet, and you think you can make some money reselling internet. Or let us say maybe you are in a good residential area and your neighbors all don't have internet, and you think you could make some good money reselling internet that maybe you have or are planning to get so that you can make some quick money. Well, if you fall in any of those categories, then this particular video series is for you. Yeah, right now, before we even get into the nitty-gritties, go hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that as these videos do appear, you get notified immediately once the videos go live. Now, I am going to be making a video series on how to make money reselling internet. In this particular video series, I'm going to be describing everything step by step and detailing things exactly how you need them to be, starting from internet service providers, which one works, what doesn't work, what are the things you should look out for, to equipment, what do you need, what works best, who would I recommend, what machines do you need for your billing software, what would be a recommended billing strategy. All these things shall be detailed bit by bit. The different types of equipment, how do you set them up? All this I shall be discussing in this particular video series. Now, what I'm going to do to make things easy for you is I'm going to make a very long playlist. Now, in this playlist, it's clearly going to be named How to Make Money Selling Internet. That's going to be the name of the video playlist. Just go in that video playlist. Everything will be in particular order, well laid out for you to get to learn something new. And of course, to just help you break down this mystery of how you can make some good money reselling internet. Now, if you feel that these videos are going to be helpful to you or are helpful to you, do give us a thumbs up so that we can also keep moving. It motivates us to keep going. Also, you can hit the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Hit the subscribe button and also notification bell so that you are alerted each time a brand new video does drop on this here channel. Now, enough talking for this particular video. This video is the preamble. It's the one that tells you what is coming. So now that you know what is coming, more videos are going to be dropping. Check out the playlist for you to see what exact video you are looking for. Everything is going to be going step by step and in detail. Now, if you feel you do have a question, number one, this is how you can reach out to me. If you have a question about anything, the process, or anything of the sort, just drop me one. You can drop a comment on this particular video asking whatever question. I'm always online, so I shall definitely see your comment and reply to it. Now, if you feel you want to get up close and personal, then you can do one of two things. Number one is you can check me out on X, that is formerly known as Twitter. That is at TechSelectUG. Drop me a DM, comment on any of my posts on there, and I shall definitely be replying to you. Also, make sure you follow, yeah? Or you can also drop me an email at techselectug@gmail.com. That is techselectug@gmail.com. Drop me an email, drop me a DM on Twitter, drop a comment, anything in the comment section right there. I shall definitely be getting back to you as we get to dissect this mystery of how you can make some decent money reselling your internet. Because hey, internet does not cover everywhere. Not everybody has got the money to get fiber. Fiber does not get everywhere. Not everybody really has that kind of money to spend lump sum on internet per month, and all they want to do is watch TikTok. So there is a problem that you can create a solution to. So watch this video series. We'll be dissecting everything bit by bit. I hope you do like it. Do give us a thumbs up over there, and we shall definitely be glad to hear from you, your feedback, your views, your comments, and a lot more. So with enough talking, you just go right now to the playlist and enjoy. I do hope you do learn something. Do remember to subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye.